Top 3 Best Small Gas Grills Review. Number 1. Weber Liquid Propane Genesis 2E 210 LP Grill. Primary cooking area 380 square inches. 114 square inch takeaway warming rack overhead. Main burners, BTU per hour input 26,000. 2 high-performance stainless steel burners. Porcelain enameled flavorizer bars. Porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. Grease management system reduces the risk of dangerous flare-ups. Easy to clean. Side table available. 6 integrated hanging storage hooks. Stainless steel side prep workspaces. 10 years 100% Weber guarantee. Number 2. Char-Broil Classic 280. .280 square inches primary cooking space. 2-burner gas grill. Porcelain-coated grates. Porcelain-coated steel lid and firebox. 2 stainless steel inline burners. Lightweight. 12 inches by 13 inches metal side shelves. Piezo ignition system for fast and reliable startups. 2 6-inch wheels. Convectional cooking system. Number 3. Fuego Element F21C Carbon Steel Gas Grill LP. 346 square inch porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grate. Ability to grill 12 quarter-pound burgers. Strong and sturdy unique design. Fuel efficient 21,000 BTUs per hour burner. Dual ring burner paired with 15 pounds cast iron grate. Built-in lid thermometer and integrated heat reflection shield. 6 half-inch tall hood. The 21-inch wide base and locking wheels keep it stable. Easy to clean residue tray. Designed in California by former Apple chief designer Robert Runner. Winner of Vestas Best Gas Barbecue and Spark Design Award. A 15 pounds porcelain enamel cast iron grate. Assembly time of fewer than 30 minutes.